Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete or uninstall application on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. One common reason for uninstalling application is to free up storage space on the device. By uninstalling unused or less frequently used app can help create a space for new applications or media files. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that you can scroll down here and then please select app option here. Well, and then in this page, here will appear all of applications on your device, and then you can select the application you want to remove. Okay, and then here you can click on uninstall option at the bottom. After that, click OK. Well, so now the application is successfully removed or uninstalled. Well, that's the tutorial on how to delete or uninstall application on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.